Did you know autonomous robots are not just revolutionizing factories, but reshaping entire industries with intelligent, self-managing machines? Ever wondered how automation has gone beyond fixed programming to real intelligence in machines? Autonomous robotics combines robotics with artificial intelligence and machine learning, enabling robots to make decisions, adapt to their surroundings, and optimize processes in real time. This isn't your typical factory automation. It means robots can now handle complex tasks previously suited for humans, from quality control with computer vision to navigating dynamic warehouse floors on their own. Take the automotive industry, for example, where AI-powered robotic arms accelerate assembly lines with precision and speed, pushing production like never before. Or imagine agriculture, where self-driving tractors not only work around the clock, but also adjust their actions based on soil and weather data collected by sensors, boosting crop yields and sustainability. Autonomous robots also enhance worker safety by taking on dangerous or repetitive tasks, while reducing errors and operational costs. Thanks to continuous learning and data analysis, these robots improve efficiency day after day without human intervention. It's a transformation that's fueling what many call the next industrial revolution: smart factories with flexible, adaptive, and highly productive robotic systems working alongside humans. The future of industrial automation is autonomous, blending AI, robotics, and big data to create smarter workflows, faster innovation, and competitive advantage across sectors worldwide. How do you think autonomous robotics will change our daily lives and jobs? Share your thoughts below, and be sure to like and subscribe for more insights on cutting-edge technology.